Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin Impact auto close problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do now just right click here, go to task manager, and then once you're here, right click on your just right click on any applications that you want to close, and just close all the applications that you don't need, like Google Chrome. Right click on it and click in task, and then go here, also close the applications that you don't need here, and that's it. Right click on it and exit. And after that, all you need to do just open Genshin Impact and try again, and if that doesn't fix it, then restart your PC and close applications again, and now just try to open Genshin Impact and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.